I just realized while I was recording, my phone got demolished and it died. And I literally noticed like 15 minutes ago, bro. So now I need to do everything again. But it's fine. Ew. Bubble wrap. And I suck at the end. So I basically got 58 to 100 on this level, which is now lost media. So do this. Well, no, it was 52 to 100, I think. That was right there. Oh my. I'm playing on the right start plus copy. I just suck. It happened again, man. Okay, I just did it again. Nice. I did it. You can't even see my hand. GG's, bro. Okay, you can see it now. Maybe. Even though I got 50 to 58 to 100 again. Even though I got 58 to 100 again, the duels are still really hard for me. Pause. See, I would switch from here all the way to over there, but then that makes me realize you can see why my room is so dirty. I need to like clean my room, bro. And I said, no. No, I tried to save it. This click is like top 1 impossible timing, so like. So this part is so hard. Pause. No, I did it again, bro. Oh yeah, also, I was playing wave challenges. I mean, I played a challenge for every game mode in a list that I made. So, and I was also playing Auditory Breaker, which is just Nerf Sonic Wave, and I have 39 to 100 on that, but I got that a few days ago, not like today. No, I died to the top 1 time. I died there again. Bro, I was trying to do like the congregation timing where you have to jump over this block. I was trying to do it like that, but then I realized you have to jump off it. That was when I was first practicing this summer. Oh my. If I get here from 0, I have the level down to 3 runs. Which is good. Which is really good. Maybe you can't even see. Briz. Maybe it's better now. I was like frames, bro. I gotta go and start pause. The orb. GG's. When I was first playing this level, I contemplated dropping it. You can't even see my face. I was contemplating dropping it, but then because of the duels. But now that I'm like actually like able to do the duels, I'm actually thinking of doing it as a new hardest now. What am I doing, bro? I need back on the level. These clicks are like top for me. This level is very timing based, bro. Chris Hansen. And I'm dead. Yep. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I keep doing this, bro. I have like an awkward click pattern for that part. I have an awkward click pattern for this part, bro. No one does it like me, bro. Sounds like someone with paper guy was probably good for it. Nice. 74 to 100. $62 to 100. I don't even know if you can see my hand cam, bro. No. I have a weird part. Okay, nice. If I submit this to the R-rated Extreme Demons list, bro, they're gonna need my raw footage, the completion, like a hand cam, everything. So I'm not gonna submit it to the R-rated Extreme Demons list. So I do this duel, like, I mean, ball, like, really weird. I go, like, really high into this portal and then just click this early and then do this late. It's like, it's easier than the double click. I forgot you're supposed to click. Bro, on my Silent Silhouette video of me getting 73, bro, like, it was either the 73% on Silent Silhouette or 29 to 100 video. And some guy in the comments said, who let this guy cook on an impossible level? And he's like 12. And then after that, he said he's gonna be the next WizKid and Zoink. Like, that's glazing to the max level. Like, I'm good at spamming, but I don't think I'll be the next WizKid. guys are sick. I always click way too early here, bro. They're like PMOs. I did. Did it again. Nice. I'm getting that run consistently. Okay. So guys, I actually went outside today, which was pretty average. I was about to say rare. Oh my god. I played basketball. Yeah. It was around like 7:30 to 8 p.m. Or it was just after 8 p.m. And it was pretty cool. I drank a water. Like, oh my god. Am I stupid? Why did I do that? Like, that might have been just code for me. Kidding. Dude, I keep doing this. This is actually PMO. What the hell just happened, bro? I just got 79. I just got 38 to 100, bro. Like, ain't no way I just got the drop to 100 on Black Blizzard. What is actually wrong with me? Like, what is this skill boost? I just beat Stereo Madness, and now I'm just like the best player at the game. No. Y'all saw that. No. I'm gonna crash. From 13%, by the way. I'm going from 0, bro. And then I died of that, like. Wait, no, I think I added something in this copy. Hold on. Let's go to the beginning. I made it so if we die here, it just says Briz. I just got the level in 3 runs. Let's go, 3 runs. By a pixel. Stop. I'm actually crazy for 38 to 100. I'm so big and round, bro. Like, it's just... Like, I'm just, like, fatter than Queso, dude. Wait, no, that's not possible since he's the universe. Alright. Okay, bro. Like, GG's. Seven to 28, like, can I just get this progress from 0? And I just, alright. Ender Dragon. Literally, why does that happen? Oh my god. I'm so big and round, bro. Like, why am I so fat? I'm dead. Yep. That staircase is top 1. Like... My hitbox is on. Okay, bro. I'm just so fat, bro. Like, can I just do this clip? I think I'm just gonna end the video because I'm washed and I can't do cube timings, and I just, like, am so fat that I can't fit between this. Look at this ugly smile, bro. Like, get out of here. Anyways, bye. I'm just gonna...